Today back on Shiny Sean, guys. I'm going to show you guys how I put on my face mask to bring up my jaw. Like I was mentioning in the other video about my teeth and stuff. So yeah, the device that I use to put it on every night, and I have to put both of these small rubber bands on it. Like I have a hook in my mouth from the expander. So I have to hook it on, and then like look, I put it on here and it goes on my mouth. I think it goes like this, but I do it the other way around. I put it on my hook, then that. But I'm gonna try the other way, which is the way I just showed you, like this. I can't really eat hard things and stuff and sticky stuff, or like my expanders are going to get dirty. I'm trying to put this on. Sorry if it's taking too long, but yeah, I think I should do it. Put it on the hook first, but yeah, this is for my first time ever having this, so yeah. Yeah, I need to put it the other way around. And I also have to wear this before I go to bed because like while I sleep, it can bring up my jaw while I'm sleeping. So yeah, that's whatever. I'm gonna put it on now. Alright, put that on. Oh man. And guys, tell me your experience about braces if you ever had them. Or expander to bring up your jaw. Alright. It keeps coming out. Sorry if it's taking too long. Really trying. Oh, sorry if it's too silent. What in the world? I don't think I can put it on. It's not really. Alright. And boom. Okay. So look, this right here brings up my jaw while I'm asleep and during the day. So like I can say right now it's bringing up my jaw. So like yeah, and then I have to go to sleep, do all of that, but I can't go outside in public. I can't do any of that because it either might break or I might get embarrassed. I don't know, but I'm really just showing you guys. And yeah, so that's how I put it on, this rubber band. And if you're watching this and this is your first time getting expanders or a face mask, it hurts. It's still hurting right now in my mouth. So after like 2 days or a little bit, it's gonna heal or whatever. And yeah, that's on Shiny Sean. And yeah, peace.